Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, really, it was an awful accident. Really, it was an awful accident. वाकई ये खौफनाक हादसा था. Second, Allah save everyone from such accident. Allah save everyone from such accident. अल्लाह सबको ऐसे हादसात से बचाए. 3. Because such accident destroy the houses. Because such accident destroy houses. क्योंकि ऐसे हादसात घर तबाह कर देते हैं. 4. Just a person who recites Bismillah before dying is called a martyr. A person who recites Bismillah before dying is called a martyr. मरने से पहले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ने वाला शहीद कहलाता है. 6. He is shivering due to cold. He is shivering due to cold. वो सर्दी की वजह से कांप रहा है. 7. How did your day to go? How did your day go? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा गुजरा. 8. What sort of girl is this? What sort of girl is this? ये कैसी लड़की है. 9. Do I serve the food? Do I serve the food? क्या मैं खाना लाऊं? 8. Cleanliness is the half of faith. Cleanliness is the half of faith. صفाई निस्फ ईमान है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.